Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sakshi Chaturvedi and today I'm going to create this bright look which is kind of a dark character and you get the vibe. So let's get started. I always tie up my hair and apply foundation on my face. You can skip this step but I apply foundation to just create a base or maybe using it as a primer on my face before I do any face art. I use finger to blend my foundation. It just gives me even finish on my face. For face painting, I use Snazaroo face paint. This is water activated and I got it from Amazon. I link the product in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. I'm just drawing a straight line over my eyebrow. You can use a eyebrow pencil or any color pencil for a guideline. Next I'm going in with this red face paint and I'm mixing little black in it. Why I'm mixing these two colors is because if you have seen actual blood, it's not very cherry red, it's more like a maroon red. So that is why I'm trying to make my color more closer to blood or maybe dried flesh. Did you see that change in the red color? That's what I wanted. It's more closer to blood. Now I'm just applying the whole red color all over the area I have created over it. At this point, I really look like I'm creating a superhero mask or maybe a character which is inspired from superhero. Next, I'm using this old eyeshadow palette which I had in my drawer and I'm dipping my brush in black and I'm going over the outline, giving a little shading to the border. I'm taking this small round brush and I'm blending all the edges which I see. I really don't like any edges when it comes to makeup, so I'm work it and I am blending all the edges which I see. I want this area to look like as if this is coming out of my face. For the bottom part, I'm using the flat brush and going in upward motion to create that depth. By taking a brush, I'm dusting off all the extra fallouts. Again with the flat brush and black eyeshadow, I am drawing my eyebrow. On the edges of my hairline, I'm using a black eyeshadow to create a shadow effect. For eyes, I'm trying to create it more like a skull. Like if you have seen a skull, there is a gap for eyeball. So I'm trying to create it more like that. Again with the round brush, I am blending all the harsh edges. Now I am drawing tears of the eyes. Using black eyeshadow, I am creating a shadow around the tears of the eyes. Using white color, I am giving highlight to the teardrops. Adding these small details really level up your game. I have cleaned my brush and I am blending that white color. As you know, we are trying to make it more realistic. So there should be more shadow and more highlight but in the blended way. Did you see the power of blending? Now I'm taking this white compact and I'm going all over my face, not on the area where I have painted my face. Why I am applying this white compact is because I want my face to look more dull and dead, like dead bodies. If you have seen dead bodies, they are whitish. If you don't have white compact, you can simply go in with the white face paint and apply a thin layer of white because we don't want prominent white, we want skin like white. Oh god, my hand is tired of blending. Using a flat brush and white paint, I am drawing a thin line. Now I'm taking this eyeshadow palette which I got from Amazon long back when I just started doing face arts. So if you're a beginner, you can definitely buy and go in with this palette. I'll link this palette in the description box. Taking the red color from this palette, I am contouring my face, little bit under my nose, over the forehead area around my hairline, little bit on chin and my jawline, over the collarbone as well. I have mixed my red eyeshadow with black as well. Using white face paint, I'm drawing continuation of tears. Taking the most precise brush I have, I am adding shadow to the teardrops. The teardrops look so realistic. Taking this Huda eyeshadow palette, I'm using the metallic shade from it to highlight my whole face. After applying the lipstick, I'm trying to blend it outwards and added a little black on the inner corner of the lips, as we don't have to be very precise with the lipstick. Now I am adding wow factor in this look. I got this black glitter from Chavdi Bazaar in Delhi. By using moisturizer, you can stick your glitters. You can also use eyelash glue to stick it. But I am using a moisturizer because it does the same thing. Applying Kajal on my waterline. And of course finishing it off with the lashes. I got these gloves from Amazon and I have this net top which I'll be using as a prop. I do look scary in this, don't I? I have this wine glass and I'm pouring a mix of white and red color into the water, which is very diluted to make it more look like a blood. So this is the final result and I hope you guys like it. And here I'm not wearing any lenses, it's the filter, so I'm scared of wearing lenses. So you can, if you are comfortable wearing lenses, you can of course wear black lenses. And this is the look. And please like and subscribe to my channel and please support guys. Bye.